Hey everybody, just testing out this new GoPro Hero 6 I just bought for the channel. Thank you to everybody who supports the channel, both in the live chat donations and as well as Patreon. I can't tell you how much this channel has benefited from your benefactorship, if that's even a word. But big updates as far as equipment that has been over time decaying, breaking, and or just because of the times with technology, been behind in the times. So I got this camera to help speed up the process of getting some videos done. You all know how my schedule has been lately, working between 90 and 100 hours every week, and it's kind of draining. So sometimes I might only have 30-40 seconds to get something done in a day, as terrible as it may seem, because it's an hour to work and an hour back, and if you do a 16-hour day, factor in that, and I have kids and a wife. So this is going to help in that endeavor, I hope. So let me know what you think about the video clarity and the sound. I'm using this on a selfie stick type deal, so maybe this will help us get some quick hitters out as far as news, because they're coming down the pike pretty rapidly lately. Thank you all for your support. I appreciate you all way more than you know. Get in on that Olight giveaway. I'd love to have one of my viewers, one of my subscribers, get that light for free. And if you want to make a purchase, you get one for free from Olight today anyway for Father's Day. So happy Father's Day to everybody. Be safe. Take care. I'll see you in the next one.